Class ninth Mathematics Linear Equation in One Variable. Exercise 5.1. I will start your exercise 5.1. Now come to the first question. Make equation from the statement given below. ये जो नीचे given है statement, इससे हमें equation form करनी है. So first is the sum of two consecutive number is 11. The second is the sum of Tikendra and Tejram age is 30, whereas Tikendra age is twice the Tejram's age, and so on. So how can form a linear equation? So first of all, the first one, the sum of two consecutive numbers. So let the two consecutive numbers be x and x plus 1. There is only one difference. So what is the sum of two consecutive numbers? So that means x plus 1 equal to 11. So we can correct it. It is 2x plus 1 is equal to 11. So that is your answer. Now come to the second question. This one, the sum of Tikendra and Tejram is. So here is given as Tejram is twice the Tikendra is twice the Tejram is. So first of all, let Tejram is be x. Let Tejram is be x and Tikendra is be twice of Tejram, that is 2x, and according to question the sum is 30. So you can write x plus 2x is equal to 30. So that is your answer. You can make only equation. Statement is given, so you can make the only equation. Don't solve it. Now third, fourth and fifth, these two questions for your, three questions for your homework. So you can do at home. I will go on the next question. So come to the next question, that is the second question. It is given here. Solve the equation given below. जो given है equation इसको solve करना है. How can solve this equation? So you can check here which type. The first question, that is 5x plus 2 is equal to 17. First of all इस 2 को transfer करना है that side. So it becomes 5x is equal to 17 minus 2. So 5x is equal to 15. 17 minus 2, that is 15. So x is equal to 15 divided by 5. So 5 1 is 5 and 5 3 is 15. So x is equal to 3. So that is your answers. Now come to the second question. Second question is here. It is 5 of p plus 1 is equal to 24. So transfer to one right hand side. So 5p is equal to 24 minus 1. 24 minus 1, that is 23. Now P is equal to 23 divided by 5. So it is your answer. Come to the third question. In the third, there is 4x plus 8x is equal to 17x minus 9 minus 1. Now transfer the like terms on same side. So it is 4x and 8x, that is 12x. 17 is transferred to left hand side, it becomes minus 17 of x. Here is minus 9 and minus 1, that becomes minus 10. So plus 12 and minus 17, it becomes minus 5 of x, and here is minus 10. So minus minus cancel out, so x equal to 10 divided by 5. 5 1 is 5, 5 2 is 10. So x is equal to 2. So it is your answer. Come to the fourth question. It is minus 7 plus 3t minus 9t is equal to 12t minus 5. What happened in this? Like terms are sending one side. So there is 3t minus 9t. 12 को ट्रांसफर कर लो लेफ्ट हैंड साइड पे, माइनस 12t इज इक्वल टू, देयर इज माइनस 5. माइनस 7 को ट्रांसफर करना है राइट हैंड साइड, सो इट बिकम्स प्लस 7. सो हियर इज 9 और 12, दैट इज द 21, एंड 21 माइनस 3 कितना हो जाएगा? इट इज माइनस ऑफ 18t. And here is 2 only, so t is equal to 2 upon 18 with minus sign. So 2 1 is 2, 2 9 is 18. So value of t is equal to minus 1 upon 9, and that is your answer. These two questions, fifth and sixth, it is for your homework, so you can do at home. It's very easy question, so you can do. Now come to the third question. What happened in third question? In third question, there is a statement. You can write the statement. X plus 3, the first question, this one, x plus 3 equal to 27. So let the numbers be x, then we can write statement like this. The answer is here. If we added 3, x is a number, and 3, if we added 3 in a certain number, we get 27. 27 राइट हैंड साइड में है, इसलिए 27 वी गेट में आएगा. Similarly, the second one, this one, Sheila's age is half at Rajiv's age, and sum of both their age is 18 years. 18 is given here. Sheila's age is half, so this one is age of Sheila, and this one is age of Rajiv. You can write some other type. How can write this one? If we added, we can write like this. The second portion, if we added half of one number in the same number, we get 18. ऐसा statement भी you can write. And third one is given here, x upon x plus 2 is equal to 30. So if we added 2 in any number, then divide the same by same number, we get 30. So these are the statements of the given equation. Now come to the next one. That is the fourth question. How can do the fourth question? Solve the equation. बिल्कुल सेम पीछे मैंने कराया है तो उन्हीं क्वेश्चंस की तरह है ये भी, but I will solve some one. So first of all, we have to write the first question, that is 6 plus in bracket 4 minus m bracket close 8, and here is 3m plus 5. How can solve this equation? You can check. This is your equation. Now open the bracket. It is 6 plus 4 minus m is equal to, multiply inside the bracket, 8 3 are 24 of m plus 8 5 are 40. Like terms change on same side, so it is minus m and minus 24 of m is equal to 40 minus 6 and minus 4. It becomes minus 25 of m. And what happened to this? 6 and 4 10, and 40 में से minus 10 करेंगे तो it becomes 30. So m will be equal to 30 divided by minus 25. So 5 5 ja and 5 6 ja. So m becomes minus 6 by 5, and it's your answer. Very simple question. You can do very well. Now come to the second part. This one is your second part. This second part, we have to write this one. 2k minus 5 plus 3k is equal to k plus 6. This is your question. Now multiply inside, that is 2k minus 10, and here is 3k only, is equal to k plus 6. 2k and 3k, this 2k and 3k, it becomes 5k minus 10 equal to k plus 6. Now change the like terms on same side, so this k will be transferred to left hand side. So 5k minus k is equal to 6. इस 10 को भी शिफ्ट करना है राइट हैंड साइड, so plus 10. So it is 4k is equal to 16. So k will be equal to 16 upon 4. 4 1 ja 4, 4 4 ja 16. So 4 is your answer. Now I will do your fourth question. This one is for your homework, so you can do at home. I will do fourth question. The fourth question is x upon 3 plus 1 is equal to 7 upon 75. The question is this. Now shift the same like terms same side. So it is x upon 3 is equal to 7 by 75 minus 1. Taking their LCM is 75, so we get 7 minus 75. So x by 3 is equal to 75 minus and plus 7. How much? It is 68 with minus sign upon 75. Now x is equal to minus 68 upon 75. 3 मल्टीप्लाई में आ जाएगा. So 3 1 जा 3 and 3 2 जा 6 and 3 5 जा 15. So x is equal to minus 68 upon 25, and that is the answer. Now I will do your fifth question. This is your fifth question. This one is fifth question. In this question, m minus this one, m minus 1 by 2 is equal to 1 minus m minus 1 by 3. How can solve to this equation? Now come to the equation. First of all, we can write the equation. It is m minus 1 divided by 2 equal to 1 minus m minus 2 divided by 3. The question is here. Now we can solve this question. How can solve this question? Now taking their LCM. So LCM is 2. So we can write 2 here. It becomes 2m and here is minus m plus 1 हो जाएगा यहाँ, because it is working as a bracket also. So in that case, here is LCM is 3. So it becomes 3 minus m plus 2. It is also a bracket type. So minus becomes positive. So what will be happen? It is m plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to, here is 3 plus 2, that is the 5 minus m upon 3. Now do the cross multiplication like this. So it is 3m plus 1 is equal to 2 5 minus m. Do the multiplication inside. That is 3m plus 3 equal to 5 to the 10 minus 2m. So 3m plus 2m is equal to 10 minus 3. Here is 5m is equal to, it is 7. Now come to the m. So m is equal to 7 upon 5. So that is your answer. I think it's very easy. So you can do very well. Now come to the next one. That is the sixth part is for your homework. This is your for homework. You can do at home. And also you can do this one is at home. I will do only this question, 7th question. So this is also your homework. So these questions are for your homework. I will do only 7th question now. How can do this 7th question? First of all, we can write here x by 2 minus 1 by 5 is equal to x by 3 plus 1 by 4. What will be happen in this? Now taking their LCM. LCM is 10. So it becomes 5x minus 2. It is equal to, here LCM is 12. So it becomes 4x and plus 3. Now do the cross multiplication. So 12 into 5x minus 2, and here is 10 into 4x plus 3. Multiply inside, 12 5 is 60. It is 24, and it is 40 of x and plus 30. Transfer the like term same side. It is 60 of x minus 40 of x is equal to 30 plus 24. It becomes 60 minus 40, that is the 20 of x, and here is 54. So what about 2x? So x will be equal to 54 divided by 20. So 2 1 ja 2 10. Here is 2 2 ja 4 and 2 7 ja. So answer will be 27 upon 10. So that is your answer. Yes, your exercise be finished. So I think you would like to this video. कॉपी में कंप्लीट कर लेंगे आप लोग, और आफ्टर कंप्लीशन व्हाट्सएप के थ्रू यदि कोई क्वेश्चन नहीं आता है तो पूछ सकते हैं, और शेयर कर देंगे सबको, लाइक करेंगे, सब्सक्राइब करेंगे।